listeners, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, let us begin with the chapter number 27 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is essay writing. So, इस चैप्टर में हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट essay writing. So, let's see how we can frame these essays, right? तो हमें देखा था कि पैराग्राफ में हम लोग सेंटेंसेस को कंबाइन करते हैं, तब वो एक पैराग्राफ बनता है। और जब हम पैराग्राफ्स को कंबाइन करते हैं तब बनता है हमारा एसे, राइट? सो लेट अस बिगिन विद दिस एंड सी हाउ हम बहुत सारे एसेज इजीली फ्रेम कर सकते हैं। लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड an essay is a piece of writing on a particular subject. कि ऐसे किसी भी सब्जेक्ट, किसी भी पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट पर जब हम कोई इंफॉर्मेशन लिखते हैं या कुछ पॉइंट्स लिखते हैं, राइट, तब वो एक ऐसे कहलाता है। इट मे बी शॉर्ट और लॉन्ग, कि ये जो एसेज है ये शॉर्ट और लॉन्ग दोनों ही हो सकते हैं, राइट? नाउ एन essay usually takes the following structured format, कि एक ऐसे यूजुअली इन 3 फॉर्मेट्स के बेसिस पर काम करता है। द फर्स्ट इज द इंट्रोडक्शन, सेकेंड इज द मेन बॉडी, एंड थर्ड इज अ कंक्लूजन, राइट? सो रीड द फॉलोइंग एसेज। अब यहाँ पर हमें कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स दिए गए हैं, जल्दी से इन्हें पढ़ते हैं ताकि हमें एक और भी बेटर आइडिया मिल जाए दैट हाउ वी कैन ऑल्सो फ्रेम दीज एसेज। सो सबसे पहले हमारे पास है टॉपिक गुड मैनर्स। तब देखते हैं कि गुड मैनर्स पर क्या क्या कंटेंट हमने लिखा हुआ है। मैनर्स नॉट ओनली टू डिस्क्राइब बट ऑल्सो टू मेक अ मैन। गुड मैनर्स make life worth living. Manners distinguish a civilized person from an uncivilized one. We learn to be humble and cool-tempered from a good society. Therefore, a person's manners tell us about his family background, circle of friend, education, and culture. Good manners cost us nothing but elevate us in the eyes, esteem of others. Though good manners, we can win the hearts of others and command respect in society. It is the highest of good manners that we should be affectionate to our younger and to our younger and respectful to our elders. We should be obedient to our seniors and polite and courteous in our social circle. We should not lose our temper on pretty things. We should cultivate good manners. We must be respectful to ladies. We must not damage public property, right? So, you saw that how we have framed an essay on the topic good manners. Just हमने easy जो points थे, जो हमें पता थे कि good manners क्या होते हैं, क्यों follow करने चाहिए, इन सब से क्या होता है. That is what we all have written over here, right? Now we have another example, which is a view from my window. Let's read this also, right? So, when I wake up in the morning, the sun greets me through my window. I got near it and look at the morning sky. I stand there for some time and watch it change its color from pink to yellow and then blue. The nearby park is visible from my room. Every morning, some boys play cricket, some elderly people go for their morning walk. Every Sunday, a cricket match is held between two teams, and from my window, I enjoy it without being present at the ground. I can also see the bus stand where some school children wait for their school buses in the morning. I can also see people getting down from the local buses, some returning to their families after a day's work. Jyoti is my next door neighbor. The balcony of her room is also visible from my window. Is a huge mango tree. There, two birds have built their nest. Every day after school, I sit near the window and watch them make nest by gathering dry leaves and small branches. Now they have a chick that stays in the nest alone. In the evening, when its parents come, they bring food for it. I watch the love and bonding between these birds, right? So, as you saw, हमने कितने अच्छे तरीके से अपने विंडो के बाहर के सीन को डिस्क्राइब किया है, right? So, as you can see, we have a lot more examples. That is my favorite teacher. A rainy day, right? So, you can read them and have a great idea that how we can frame these essays. Now in the worksheet you can see हमारे पास बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स हैं जो यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं ताकि हम लोग अच्छे से essays फ्रेम कर सके, right? So you can frame essays on these topics by yourself. So that was all from my side. I hope you all enjoyed it and you will be easily able to frame some essays by yourself. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.